Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be resharing a recipe that I had shared a while ago when I first started my channel. Now today, I'm going to be sharing my recipe for tiramisu. Now for me, this is a quick go-to dessert because it takes no time at all. You put it together, you leave it in the fridge, let it set, and then it is perfect to eat the next day or even later that day if you're making it the same day. Now I want to let you guys know there is no need to go to one of those expensive Italian restaurants to enjoy this quick and easy dessert. My version uses no eggs, no extra ingredients. It's very simple, very quick. So I hope you guys give it a try and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into the recipe. I'm going to begin by making the cream that's going to go in between the layers of soaked cookies for my tiramisu. So in my mixer here, I have my cream cheese and I'm also going to go in with my sugar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this mixer and I'm going to allow this to mix and combine until everything's smooth and all of that sugar has dissolved throughout that cream cheese. And you want to beat it until it's nice and fluffy. Once your cream cheese mixture has been beat really well and all of that sugar is incorporated, it is time to go in with all of your heavy cream. Now you're going to add this heavy cream in, you're going to put the mixer back on a medium speed and allow it to beat until there are stiff peaks formed and it resembles whipped cream. So I'm going to come back and show you guys what that looks like. Once your cream for the tiramisu is all thick just like this, you're going to go ahead and scrape off the sides of the bowl and you're going to put this whole bowl with the cream to the side and we're going to move on to soaking all of the cookies to put our tiramisu together. Once you go ahead and put that cream mixture to the side, it's time to make the coffee mixture that the cookies are going to soak in. So I have some hot boiling water in a bowl here. Now I'm using a pretty big flat bowl. The reason being is because it's going to be easy for us to dip those cookies inside. So into my boiling hot water, I'm going in with some instant coffee or expresso, and I'm going in with some granulated sugar. You're going to add all of that in, and then once you add that in, you're going to go ahead and whisk it together until everything is combined and well distributed throughout that water. And I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like once we finish mixing everything together. Alright guys, so I have some of these beautiful ladyfinger cookies over here and these can be found at any supermarket. I bought mine at Publix, but if you go to Walmart, any other stores, they should have them as well. And I have my coffee mixture here that I mix really well. And you want to allow it to cool just a little bit because that was hot boiling water. So when you dip the cookies in, you don't want to burn your fingers. So what I'm going to do is begin by taking one of these cookies. You're going to go ahead and just dip it on both sides and you're going to see it's going to soak and reconstitute the cookie right away. And you're going to go ahead and put it down at the bottom of your tray. Now I'm using one of these long glass rectangular trays. You could feel free to use any type of pan that you have that will fit these cookies. So what I'm going to continue to do is keep taking all of my ladyfinger cookies, dipping them one by one in the syrup or the coffee mixture, and then I'm going to lay them down. You want to get one single layer down in the bottom of your pan, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Once you've gone ahead and soaked one layer of cookies, you're going to go ahead and take that cream that we made, and you're going to take exactly half of it and put it on top of these cookies. And you're just going to try to divide it as best as you can. And once you get it on top of these cookies, you're going to go ahead and start spreading it out until you get a single layer of the cream on top of these cookies. Once you get a single layer of half of the cream mixture down, it's time to go ahead and soak the rest of the cookies that we have here. So you're just going to take a cookie as we did before, dip it in your coffee mixture on both sides, and then you're going to lay it down right on top of that first cream layer. And I'm going to continue doing this with the rest of my cookies. And then we're going to go ahead and finish off the tiramisu. Once you get your second layer of the soaked ladyfingers onto that first cream layer, it's time to go on with the rest of your cream. So you're going to go ahead and layer whatever you have left on top, and you're going to start to spread it out and get it in a nice even layer. Once you get that second layer of cream down on top of the tiramisu, it's time to go ahead and cover this either with some foil or plastic wrap, and then you're going to go ahead and put it in your fridge. Now you want to allow this to soak in the fridge from anywhere from 2 hours to overnight. You want to make sure all of those cookies are nice and soaked through with that coffee mixture, so this way they can be nice and soft and mushy when you go to eat them. So I'm going to go ahead, stick it in the fridge, and I'm going to come back a little later and show you guys what it looks like when it is ready to cut. Look at those beautiful layers on the inside.
Alright guys, so the tiramisu has been sitting in the fridge for about 5 to 6 hours now. As I said, if you have the time, you can leave it overnight to allow those cookies to really soak in that coffee mixture. But if you only have the couple of hours, that'll work as well. So we're going to go ahead, open it up, and cut into it. But as you guys can see, there's a piece missing, thanks to someone over here. But we're going to go ahead and cut into it now, and I'm going to show you guys all of the little layers inside and exactly what it looks like.
Alright guys, so the tiramisu is all done. As you guys can see, I've cut it up and we went ahead and topped it with some cocoa powder. Now that's a classic way that you would serve it up. So my mom and I are going to go ahead and give it a try now. I want to show you guys that perfect bite. You want to make sure to get all of that cream and some of those soaked cookies in there.
Yum.
One of the best tiramisus that you guys will ever have. I told you guys in the beginning of the video, there's no need to go to one of those expensive Italian restaurants to enjoy this dessert. Make it quick and simply at home, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and what else can they do? Leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys again in another one of my awesome recipes.
This is mine, right?
Yeah, that's yours. Bye guys.